to learn Indonesian with Maria. In this channel, I will share you how to learn Indonesian in easy way. So, if you want to learn Indonesian language, please subscribe to this channel. And our today's topic is still about Ramadan. If in the previous videos, we have learned about some common vocabulary words about Ramadan, so today we will learn about some Ramadan expression. If you haven't learned about the previous lesson, don't forget to check out this video. Are you ready to learn with me? Let's get started. So the first one is, apakah kamu puasa hari ini? Apakah kamu puasa hari ini? That means, are you fasting today? Why you have to know about this sentence or this expression? Because during the Ramadan, people who are not fasting usually don't eat in front of people or in front of their friends who are fasting. It's become a form of our respect to our Muslim friends. For example, I'm not Muslim, I'm Christian, but I always try to not eat or drink in front of my Muslim friends. And there are three possibilities answer of that question. The first one is, saya puasa hari ini. Saya puasa hari ini, or means, I'm fasting today. Or the second one, saya tidak puasa hari ini. Saya tidak puasa hari ini means I'm not fasting today. Or probably you will get the third answer, which is, puasa saya sudah batal pagi ini or siang ini. Puasa saya sudah batal pagi ini or siang ini means I broke my fast this morning or this afternoon. Buka puasa bareng yuk. That means let's break the fast together. Selamat berbuka puasa. Selamat berbuka puasa means enjoy breaking your fast. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the button like. Or if you think this video useful, please share it to your friends. If you have any comment or special request, feel free to write down your comment or request on the comment section below. See you soon on the next episode. Sampai jumpa!